Here is how you can add shaders to Minecraft using Mojo Launcher. First, open Mojo Launcher and click on Create New Instance. Click on Install OptiFine. Now open the Play Store and download Zarchiver. I will leave the download links for the shaders in the description. After downloading the shaders, open Zarchiver and go to the Download folder. Copy all the shader files and paste them into the Android folder just like I did. Now open Mojo Launcher and choose the OptiFine version. Once the game opens, click on Options, then Video Settings, then Shaders. Double-click on the 13v6 light shader. If you get a black screen or any glitches, you can choose a different shader like I did here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.